Hello guys, welcome to the class. Here we have another question to find the LCM. Question number 4. Here also you can see three expressions. First expression 3 times pq minus 1. Second expression 4p square minus 1. Third expression 6 times 2p square plus 3p minus 2. So to find their LCM, we factorize them one by one. You know it, the process very well. So our first expression is 3 times pq minus 1. We can use the formula of aq minus bq there. pq minus 1 cube. And what is the formula of aq minus bq? A minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square according to this formula. So it is 3 times p minus 1, it is p square plus p plus 1, p into 1, it is p square of 1, it is 1 only. So these are the factors of the first expression. Similarly, we have second expression 4p square minus 1. We know that this is in the form of a square minus b square, because 4p square, it is square of 2p, square of 2p, 1 is 1 square, so a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. It is very easy. Now third expression, uh, 6 times 2p square plus 3p minus 2. This 6. Now inside the bracket, we can factorize this by product and sum rule, balancing 3, because your first coefficient of first term 2, last term 2, product 4. So how do we get this 3? 4 minus 1. 4 into 1, 4 minus 1, 3. So 2p square plus, for this 3 we write 4 minus 1 p minus 2. It is 2p square plus 4 into p, 4p plus minus 1 into p only, minus 2. And in the first two terms, we can take 2p common. When you take 2p common, p plus 2 will be remaining there. In the last two terms, minus 1 common. When you take minus 1 common, what will be remaining there? P plus 2. P plus 2, because after taking minus sign common, this sign changes. Now this 6 also can be written as 2 into 3. Now p plus 2 common. P plus 2, and what will be remaining there? 2p minus 1. So these are the factors of the third expression. Now we are finding their LCM. So first we find the common factors. If we find any factor common in all the three expressions, we write it. After that, we check the common in two expressions and remaining factors. We do not have any factor common here in all the three expressions, so we have to check the common in two expressions. Okay, let's first start from the number 3. This 3 common, and these 2 will be remaining outside of the bracket, and inside the bracket p minus 1. We don't have another p minus 1, p square plus p plus 1 also we don't have. And here we have 2p minus 1 in the second and third expression, 2p minus 1, and we don't have any other factor common here. So what is remaining here? P minus 1 and this p square plus p plus 1 here 2p plus 1, and here it is p plus 2. Because we do not have more common factors here, so most of the factors are not common, and so our LCM is becoming longer here. So it is 3 2 times 6, and it is 2p plus 1, 2p minus 1, 2p plus 1 is here, 2p minus 1 here, and it is p minus 1, p plus 2, and p square plus p plus 1. We have all the factors here which are we have already taken as common and remaining factors. So this is the product of the common and remaining factors of the given expressions. Therefore it is the LCM of the given expression. Class, here we have another question to find the LCM. Question number 5. There are 3 expressions. First expression 8x cube plus y cube, second expression 8x cube minus y cube, and third expression 16x power 4 plus 4x square y square plus y power 4. So to find their LCM, we factorize them one by one. So first expression is 8x cube plus y cube. It is in the form of a cube plus b cube, because 8x cube, it is the cube of 2x, and this y cube as it is in the form of a cube plus b cube. We know that formula of a cube plus b cube is a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. So use the same formula here. Here our a is 2x and b is y. So a plus b, 2x plus y, and a square of 2x minus ab, 2x into y plus b square, it is y square. So it is 2x plus y square of 2x, 4x square minus 2xy plus y square. So these are the factors of 8x cube plus y cube. Similarly, our second expression is 8x cube minus y cube. Here we use the formula of a cube minus b cube. 8x cube is cube of 2x and minus y cube. So we know that formula of a cube minus b cube is a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. We use this formula here because our a is 2x and b is y. So a minus b, 2x minus y, and a square of 2x, a square plus ab, 2x into y plus b square, it is y square. So I am writing here, so 2x minus y, 4x square plus 2xy plus y square. These are the factors of second expression, 8x cube minus y cube. Now we have third expression here, 16x power 4 plus 4x square y square plus y power 4. You know this how to factorize. 16x power 4 and y power 4 we write together, and 4x square y square we write it last. I am drawing this thing here. So these are the factors of the first expression. These are the factors of the second expression. So 16x power 4 can be written as 4x square whole square and y power 4 y square whole square plus 4x square y square as it is. Now we use the formula of a plus b whole square minus 2ab in the first two terms. a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So 4x square plus y square, a plus b. This is whole square minus 2ab. 2a is 4x square, b is y square, and this plus 4x square y square as it is the last term. So 4x square plus y square whole square. 4 2 times 8x square y square plus 4x square y square. We get 4x square y square here. So 4x square plus y square whole square. 4x square y square, it is the square of 2xy. Now we use the formula here, a square minus b square. A plus b times a minus b. I am writing these factors here. A plus b, a minus b. 4x square plus y square. A plus b is 2xy. A plus b and a minus b. A is 4x square plus y square minus b is 2xy. If you write these in orders, 4x square plus 2xy plus y square times 4x square minus 2xy plus y square. So these are the factors of the third expression. Now we have the factors of the first expression, factors of the second expression, and factors of the third expression. Now I am writing their LCM. Therefore, LCM is equal to, first we write the common factors. Which factors are common? We don't have any factor common, or is there, in all three expressions. 2x plus y, we don't have another 2x plus y, and this thing we have in the first and third only. So we have common in between two expressions only. We don't have any factor common here in all three expressions. So we take the common from two. This from the first and third, you can see we have 4x square minus 2xy plus y square, because this factor is common here in the first and third. But similarly, here second, 4x square plus 2xy plus y square, we have the same thing here in the third also. So 4x square plus 2xy plus y square, and this 2x plus y in the first expression and this 2x minus y in the second expression, which are not common. So we have to write 2x plus y and 2x minus y also. So in this way, this 4x square minus 2xy plus y square, we got common in two expressions. Similarly, 4x square plus 2xy plus y square, we get common in two expressions here and here. And this 2x plus y and 2x minus y are not common. So this is the product of the common factors and remaining factors. So this is LCM of the given three expressions. Okay, thank you guys.